What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a weekly basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I will also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making $50 per hour. That's right, $50 per hour by simply doing a small task. Let's jump into my computer. Earn up to 7,500 USD monthly working from home tutoring students, right? So the website is called studypool.com, right? So you would click on become a tutor. From there, you would see this page here that I'm on currently, and you can sign up through this button over here, or you can apply, right? It's the same thing. So what's the Studypool? Studypool is the trusted service provider for over 50,000 tutors, right? That's by Forbes. They're pretty legit, and you literally just make money helping students with their homework, right? So we'll dive into how much you can make per assignment just momentarily. So why tutor on Studypool, right? So let's scroll down here. So they offer lowest service fees starting at 20% and reliable income. You would make good money using their platform and nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard, right? Full freedom and flexibility. Choose when to work and where you want to work from, right? There's no boss, no office, and you would create your own schedule, right? So it's amazing opportunity, right? Vetting process, and once you go through that, you would be ready to earn money, right? And here are the highest earners, and you could see here Henry Professor has made over 500,000, guys. So this is legit, and they actually pay you directly to your account. We'll go over that in a moment. And you can see the second highest person has made over 300,000, and so on and so forth, right? So most recent questions are here, and people are paying different amounts for their questions, and you can definitely sign for the subject that you're good at, right? Different subjects that you can sign up for. So business being the first one. So let's click on it and let's have a look here. So they've got accounting, advertising, biotechnology, broadcasting, business law, business plans, and so on, right? So you literally can sign up for any subject that you're good at. You got humanitarian, math, programming, science, writing, right? So writing also has huge list, right? Short video here. I won't play the whole thing, but
my name is Abhishek, and I've been working as a tutor for 6 years now.
Hey, I've been a tutor for 2 years now, and I've loved every minute.
Hi, I'm John, and I've been tutoring at Studypool for 3 years.
I'm Travis from Singapore, and I started tutoring this year after starting college.
I was a part-time tutor for 3 years and just finished my first year as a full-time tutor.
It's awesome. My school schedule can be so busy, so I love the flexibility and being my own boss.
I was able to build my reputation.
Last month, I made $2,000, and that was just during times that suited me.
It depends on how much I work. Though last month, I made $5,000.
I earn around $1,500 a month, and it's the perfect side job to supplement my studies.
Now I have a team working with me. I can earn $8,000 a month. It's my full-time business.
I'm able to earn $3,000 a month tutoring through Studypool.
It's tempting to.
there you have it, guys. So people are making anywhere from 2,000, 3,000, all the way to 8,000 from what you have seen, right? So it's pretty legit. They pay directly to your account, and let's look into it a bit further and see what type of question people are asking and how much they're paying, right? So these are the recent questions that have been asked, and people are willing to pay different amounts, right, depending on how complex their question is. So this person needs a professional resume for a job application, and they're willing to pay $50, guys. $50. And this person here needs help with the presentation on Madrid, and they're paying $23 for it, right? So you can easily research Google and learn more about Madrid. So it depends on how efficient you work and also the quality of your work to earn more. I've also gotten more testimonials here. People from Boston, USA, Hamilton, Canada, Mumbai, India, right? Mexico. So they're all over the place. You can see here the popular countries are Canada, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Africa, Ukraine, United States, Vietnam, and Zambia, right? The list goes on. These are just the most popular ones, right? Obviously. So guys, this is legit, and you can actually make serious money if you are committed to the process, right? So let's look into further questions that you might have. I've got some notes here. So Studypool is growing in popularity with as many as 10,000 students post questions per day, right? Who is eligible to sign up as a Studypool tutor? And that is anyone, right? Anyone can sign up. You just need to submit the application, pass the vetting process, and it doesn't take too long to get going and start making money, right? How does Studypool send payments? So they have many options for receiving payments. Currently, the options are TransferWise, right? Pioneer, Western Union, and PayPal. Finally, is there a set schedule with Studypool? So there isn't, and this is one of the best things about Studypool. You simply log in and work whenever you want, right? So this is truly work for yourself opportunity. This is great because you can easily work around any of your other responsibilities, right? So guys, check this out. So the earning potential is endless. You can jump on this opportunity, guys, and it's available right now. Do not delay it. You can see people are asking tons of different questions and are paying different amounts, right? So if you're into health, they've got nursing, accounting, law, right? Law again, algebra, right? Resume. People are paying $50 to have a resume written, guys. Come on, this is unheard of. There you have it, guys. So check out studypool.com. I'll end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.
Develop the ability to act, take action. Not hasty if it isn't required, but don't lose much time. Here's the time to act. When the idea is hot and the emotion is strong. That's the time to act. You say, Mr. Ron, I'd like to have a library like yours. See, if you feel strong about that, what you got to do is get the first book and then get the second book. Before the feeling passes and before the idea gets dim, action pronto, action immediate, action as soon as possible. Because if you don't, here's what happens. We call it the law of diminishing intent. We intend to when the idea strikes us. We intend to when the emotion is high. But now if you don't translate that into action fairly soon, now the intent starts to diminish. And a month from now it's cold. A year from now, can't be found. So act, set up a discipline when the emotions are high and the idea is strong and clear and powerful. That's the time to set up the discipline. Somebody talks about good health and you're stirred. Say, right, I need to get a book on nutrition. Get the book before the idea passes and before the emotion gets cold. Go for the book. Start the library. Start the process. Fall on the floor. Do some push-ups. Action. Got to take action. Otherwise, the wisdom is wasted. Otherwise, the emotion soon passes. Unless you put it into a disciplined activity. Capture it. Disciplines is called how to capture the emotion and how to capture the wisdom.